Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to open camera with voice on iPhone iOS 18. So if you just want to say open camera, close camera on your iPhone to trigger this voice command, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to open camera with voice on iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on the settings app on your iPhone. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down and click on accessibility. Then on the accessibility page, you want to scroll down the page until you get to focus shortcut. Then if you have the focus shortcut set up, then you're going to have it like this. And if you have not set that up, then this is what you're going to have. You'll be prompted to set up your focus shortcut as a first time user. Then go ahead and tap set up focus shortcut. Then here, tap continue to proceed. Then on this page, you want to scroll down to system until you get to camera. Then select that. Then add a staple phrase that is unique to this action to run it. So if you want to run this action using your voice command, you can just say open the camera. Then after that, click on go, open camera, open camera, open camera. So you have to say this 3 consecutive times to recognize your voice. Then go ahead and click on continue. So this is just going to open the camera on your iPhone. And if you want to open front camera on your iPhone, go ahead and click on add another, and then scroll down and locate front camera. Click on it. Then type your customizable phrase. I'm going to say open front camera. Then click on go. If that is not correct, you can just hit the bar button again, confirm it, click on go, open front camera, open front camera, open front camera. Then go ahead and click on continue. Then you're going to see this action is going to open camera on your iPhone, and this one is going to open the front camera on your iPhone. And when next you want to open your camera with voice, all you just need to do is say open camera. You see that? Camera opened. Now to open front camera, just say open front camera. You see that? So that is basically how to open camera with voice on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.